Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2017 Bonneville T100. This 900cc twin cylinder just arrived with only 2,089 miles. It's got an oil cooler up front, fuel injection, really high torque engine, and get a load of this awesome pea shooter exhaust. I love the T100 with the tank pads and the fork boots. Just got that gorgeous retro feel. This one has ABS brakes too. So you got new technology on a retro style machine. It's got that gorgeous creamsicle pop color combo. We have finance, we have extended warranties. This bike's only $74.99. She's not gonna be here long. Come on by and check it out. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you for Contra Costa Powersports.